everyone! Welcome to Easy English Podcast, the place where learning English feels like chatting with a friend. My name is Sarah.
And I'm David. Hey, Sarah. Hey, everyone watching today.
David, you look so relaxed today. Did you have a good morning?
Actually, I didn't sleep much last night. I was awake until 1:30 in the morning watching videos online. Now I feel like a zombie.
A zombie? That's funny, but I understand. I am the same sometimes. I love staying up late.
Really? I thought you were a morning person, Sarah.
No way! Mornings are my enemy. I hit the snooze button 5 times every day.
5 times? Wow. So this is perfect timing. Today we want to talk about something very interesting. Are you a morning person or a night person?
Yes, this topic is so common in English conversations. People always ask, are you a morning person, or do you like mornings or nights better?
And before we start talking about this, we want to say something quickly. If you enjoy our podcast, please hit that subscribe button right now. It really helps us.
Yes, and click the like button too. We read all your comments and we love hearing from you. And if you know someone learning English, send them this video. Learning together is more fun than learning alone.
Exactly. Okay, Sarah, let's be honest. What time do you normally go to sleep?
On a normal night, probably around midnight, sometimes 1 a.m. What about you?
I try to sleep at 10:30 p.m. every night.
10:30? David, that's so early. My grandmother sleeps at 10:30.
Hey, don't laugh at me. I love sleeping early. It feels good.
Okay, I'm sorry. So if you sleep at 10:30, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 5:30 in the morning every single day.
5:30? David, the sun isn't even awake at 5:30.
Actually, in summer, the sun is awake, and I love it. At 5:30, everything is so peaceful. No noise, no cars, just silence.
What do you do at 5:30 in the morning? Do you just sit there in the dark?
No. First, I drink some warm water. Not coffee, just water. Then I open my window and I breathe the fresh air. It makes me feel so awake and ready.
That sounds, I don't know, strange? For me, 5:30 a.m. is still nighttime. I am sleeping so deeply at 5:30.
I understand. Many people feel like you. But for me, morning is the best part of the day. My brain works better in the morning. I can focus. I can solve problems. Everything feels clear.
Interesting. My brain is completely dead in the morning. It's like my brain is still sleeping even when my body is awake.
Haha. So when does your brain finally wake up?
Around 11 a.m., maybe noon. But my best time is definitely at night. At 10 p.m. or 11 p.m., I have so much energy. I want to do everything. Clean, write, call my friends, watch movies.
That's crazy. At 10 p.m., I'm already falling asleep on my couch.
See, we are total opposites. David, do you know there are special names for people like us?
Oh, yes. I am an early bird. Do you know why we say early bird?
Because birds wake up very early and they sing in the morning, right?
Exactly. Birds wake up when the sun comes up. So an early bird is a person who loves mornings.
And I am a night owl. Owls are birds that stay awake all night long. They sleep during the day and fly at night.
Night owl. That's a perfect name for you, Sarah.
Thank you. So, David, tell me, why do you think being an early bird is good? What are the benefits?
Okay. First benefit. You have more time in the day. When I wake up at 5:30 a.m., I have almost 4 hours before I start work at 9:30 a.m. In those 4 hours, I can do so many things.
Like what?
I make a big, healthy breakfast. Eggs, vegetables, toast, maybe some fruit. And I sit down and eat slowly. I never rush.
That sounds nice. I never have time for breakfast. I wake up at 8:45 a.m. and I start work at 9:30 a.m. So I wash my face super fast, put on clothes, and run out the door.
Oh no, that sounds very stressful.
It is. I usually just grab a banana or drink a quick coffee. No time to sit and relax.
You see, this is why waking up early is better. You start the day calm, not stressed.
Okay, fine. You win the breakfast argument. But let me tell you why being a night owl is amazing.
Okay, I'm listening.
At night, everything is so quiet. Nobody bothers me. Nobody sends me work emails. Nobody calls me. It's my time to be free.
That's true. The night is very peaceful.
Yes, I can watch a whole movie without stopping, or I can study English for 2 hours without any distractions. Many people watching this video probably study English at night, right?
You're right. If you have kids or a busy job, nighttime might be the only quiet time you have.
Exactly. And I also love how the city looks at night. The lights, the moon, the stars, it's so beautiful and calm.
I like the sunrise better. The morning light is soft and golden.
The morning light hurts my eyes. I need to wear sunglasses in the morning.
Really?
Yes. Okay, David, here's a question. Do you think people can change? Can a night owl become an early bird?
That's a good question. I think yes, you can change a little bit, but it's not easy.
I want to try. Not waking up at 5:30 like you, that's impossible for me. But maybe 7 a.m.?
7 a.m. is a great goal. I have some tips for you.
Please share.
Tip number 1, don't use your phone in bed before sleeping.
Oh no, I always do that. I spend 1 hour looking at photos and videos on my phone every night.
That's the problem. The bright light from your phone tricks your brain. Your brain thinks it's daytime, so it stays awake.
Ah, that makes sense. So no phone in bed. What else?
Try going to bed just 10 or 15 minutes earlier each night. Don't change everything suddenly. Small steps work better.
Okay, so if I normally sleep at midnight, I should try 11:45 tonight?
Yes, exactly. Then tomorrow try 11:30. Slow changes are easier.
I like that. Small steps. What's your third tip?
When you wake up, open your curtains immediately. Let the sunlight into your room. Natural light helps your body wake up faster.
Okay, no phone, small steps, and sunlight. I will try this.
Good. But Sarah, I have a question for you. Sometimes I need to stay awake late for a party or a special event. How can I do that without feeling terrible?
Ah, good question. For me, if I need to stay awake late, I take a short nap in the afternoon.
A nap? You mean sleeping during the day?
Yes, but only for 20 or 30 minutes. If I sleep for 30 minutes at 2 p.m., I can easily stay awake until midnight.
Only 30 minutes? What if I sleep for 2 hours?
No, don't do that. If you sleep for 2 hours, you'll wake up feeling confused and weird.
Yes, I know that feeling. You wake up and you don't know what day it is.
Exactly. So keep naps short. Also, I drink tea in the evening if I want to stay awake. Not coffee. Tea has less caffeine.
That's smart. Green tea or black tea?
Green tea is better. It gives you a little energy, but not too much.
Okay, I'll remember that. Sarah, let's talk about work. Do you think it's difficult for night owls to work in normal offices?
Yes, very difficult. Most jobs start at 8 or 9 in the morning. For a night owl, that's way too early.
What time do you feel most productive at work?
Probably around 2 p.m. or 3 p.m. That's when my brain is finally awake and working well.
For me, it's the opposite. I'm super productive from 7 a.m. to 11 a.m., but at 3 p.m., I'm falling asleep at my desk.
See? We're completely different. But you know what? I think that's actually good.
Why?
Because the world needs both types of people. Imagine if everyone was an early bird. Who would work at hospitals at night? Who would serve food at late-night restaurants?
That's true. And if everyone was a night owl, who would bake bread in the morning? Who would open the shops early?
Exactly. We need both. It's balance.
I love that idea. Okay, everyone listening, we want to teach you some useful phrases now.
Yes. If you're an early bird like David, you can say, I'm a morning person. Or you can say, I love waking up early.
And if you're a night owl like Sarah, you can say, I'm a night person, or I prefer staying up late.
You can also say, I'm more productive at night. Productive means you do good work.
Yes, productive is a great word. I am productive in the morning. Sarah is productive at night.
Another phrase, I'm not a morning person. This means you don't like mornings.
Or you can say, I'm a late riser. A late riser is someone who wakes up late.
These are all very common phrases in English. You'll hear them a lot in conversations.
Definitely. Okay, Sarah, let's talk about food. Do you eat late at night?
Oh yes, I love midnight snacks. Sometimes at 11:30 p.m., I eat cookies or ice cream or toast with butter.
Cookies at 11:30 p.m. Sarah, that's wild.
It makes me happy. What about you? Do you eat late?
No, never. I eat dinner at 6:30 or 7 p.m. If I eat after 8 p.m., my stomach feels uncomfortable and I can't sleep well.
Everyone is different. I can eat right before bed and sleep perfectly fine.
You're lucky. For me, late food equals bad sleep.
Okay, everyone, we talked about so many things today. Let's quickly review the main points.
Good idea. So today we learned that David is an early bird. He wakes up at 5:30 a.m. and loves the morning.
And I'm a night owl. I stay awake until midnight or 1 a.m., and I love the quiet of the night.
We talked about the benefits of each. Early birds have time for healthy breakfast and a calm start. They feel productive in the morning.
Night owls have peaceful, quiet time to study, be creative, or relax without stress. They feel most productive at night.
We shared tips for changing habits. No phones before bed, small steps, and natural sunlight in the morning can help you wake up earlier.
And short naps plus green tea can help you stay awake later if needed.
Most important, both types are okay. The world needs morning people and night people.
Yes, don't feel bad about who you are. Find your best time and use it well.
Exactly. Okay, everyone. We love talking with you today. Thank you so much for watching Easy English Podcast.
Yes, thank you. Now we have a question for you, and we really want you to answer in the comments.
Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Tell us. You can write, I'm an early bird. I wake up at 6 a.m. Or you can write, I'm a night owl. I love staying up late.
Or just tell us what time you usually wake up. We want to know. Writing in English is great practice for you.
And please, please don't forget to subscribe to Easy English Podcast. Click that button.
And hit the like button too. It helps us create more videos for you.
Share this with your friends who are learning English. Learning together is more fun.
You are all amazing. Thank you for being here with us.
Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or night, whatever time it is for you.
See you in the next episode. Keep practicing your English.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.